Welcome to Vie Aesthetics, the home of soft surgery. Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes to see some of the procedures that go on in the clinic and meet some of the customers. So Dr. Ioannis, what have you done so far on Michael?
So Michael is a known patient of mine. This is his second visit. First time round we did a procedure called the plexer.
What is plexer?
Plexer is a device with which you take off excess skin, and we did that procedure around Michael's eyes here. A little bit here on the so-called crow's feet to tighten the skin, take off all the excess skin, that's permanent as well. It will give him a much natural finish for anything else he'll have in the future.
So should we look at some film of Michael having this done?
Yes, of course, yeah. With this device we just take off excess skin. The way this is done, I know it sounds a little bit invasive, but it's actually not. It's non-surgical. Mike, can you turn slightly to the left? The other side. And if we come a little bit closer, can we actually see the creases here?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, in lay terms we call this the crow's feet.
Right.
Now, a very, very conventional treatment for these lines or the crow's feet is injecting Botox. However, when they start forming, like in Mike's case, even without any expression, it's very difficult to eliminate them with Botox.
Right.
A way of dealing with those is taking off all the excess skin, the skin that's actually poor of collagen, the skin that creases easily, eliminating that with a method called plexer, and then giving it a tightening appearance. It will give also Mike a very, very natural facelift, because obviously by reducing skin, you bring up the cheek as well.
So Dr. Ioannis, what are you going to do today on Michael?
Today Michael is having another procedure called Silhouette Soft. Silhouette Soft, which is produced by a company called Sinclair, is actual threads where you insert under the skin to pull up the skin, as well as create some collagen stimulation. So essentially, Michael is going to have threads that are going to be inserted from the top, taken out here to pull his face up. So essentially, Michael will be having a mini facelift today.
Hello. Hi, good to see you. Hi.
Hi, Jana. How are you doing, my darling?
Hi. Nicole and Vicky.
Hello, Vicky. Nice
Welcome
to meet
Vie
you.
Aesthetics.
Hello, hi, Rosie.
Good. Well, we're all excited.
I'm very
Don't be nervous.
excited.
Don't be nervous. Nothing to be nervous about.
I hear I'm in very safe hands.
Yes, we will take you through to fill in a form and have a chat, and then the doctor will see you. Okay?
Super.
So Dr. Ioannis, we have Nicole here. She's an actress and she comes to you in Harley Street. What are we going to do to Nicole today?
Nicole is a stunning actress. The only thing that she notices recently, some horizontal lines on the forehead, which I believe have just started forming. Now these are expression lines. Expression lines do form from childhood. However, when we're younger, because we have so much collagen in our system, they tend not to show. After a certain age, of course, they start showing, and we can relax them or make them fainter or make them disappear with injections of botulinum toxin, in other words, what the public knows as Botox.
As an actress, a lot of actresses are anti-Botox because it freezes the face, it gives them no expression. What are you going to do different so she can continue working and film, etc.?
Well, yes, absolutely. I mean, there's a new term now on the market called the baby Botox. It all came from Hollywood, America. All the good things come from America. So what the doctors do now, we still inject Botox, but we don't inject the full dose, but we half it or inject only about 60% of the recommended dose. So what Nicole will have then is still expressions, but without the lines. So she'll be able to play, act, whatever she wants.
And how many weeks do you think that will take to take effect?
Usually Botox, as soon as you inject it, nothing much happens. 3 to 4 days you'll start seeing the effects, Nicole, and 2 weeks later it's gonna be
We'll can't wait to see what Nicole looks like later. Thank you very much.
Hello. Hi. How are you doing, Sam?
Really good, thank you.
Yeah. By the way, I've got your products in.
Amazing.
There you go. And the doctor's ready to see you.
So Vicky, you're the director of the clinic.
Yes.
What do you find is your #1 treatment here?
I would say the red carpet facial is very, very popular.
What's a red carpet facial?
It's actually we're having one done next door. We could maybe check.
Oh, I'd love to see you. Yes, please. Thank you.
Just a second. It's okay to come in for a moment. Yes, thank you very much, Sam, for letting us in. Rosie is preparing Sam now for her red carpet peel. This is based on the Zaino Baji, the ZO.
Is he based in LA, isn't he?
Yes, he's a top dermatologist in Beverly Hills. and this new range and the new treatment, the stimulated peel, is amazing. Everybody's going crazy in LA.
The stars have it done in LA.
All the stars are having this done.
So it'd be ideal for a wedding or a first night in London. There's quite a few celebrities coming here for it.
We do actually. We do get people ready for catwalks. We do get people ready for performances as well. But it's not just stars that love it. Everybody can have this treatment, men and women.
Yeah.
And the advantage, one of the advantages is that you look stunning straight away. There's no preparation and no downtime necessary.
Amazing. Sam, how does it feel having it done?
So relaxing. It's lovely.
And
You look as though you're really enjoying it.
yeah, that's so amazing about this, because people associate a chemical peel
Yeah, I was
with a
gonna
lot
say,
of
well,
peeling
I think
and
it'd be bad.
pain and drama. But the stimulated peel, this is at the heart of our red carpet
Yeah.
peel, is a treatment that is very relaxing. It's a 10-step treatment. It's pampering
Yeah.
and getting ready for the weekend or any occasion and looking radiant straight away.
Well, it looks amazing. We'll leave Sam in peace now. Thank you ever so much for letting us in.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Ioannis, what are we going to do with Jana today?
Jana has a great face generally. Recently she's been worried about the little fine lines under the eye. Now these lines are sometimes ruining a very, very beautiful face, because
Yes.
obviously if everything else looks perfect,
Yeah.
it's something that actually will look straight away. So sometimes these lines are very, very difficult to eliminate with Botox as well. So what I'm going to use today is another method called mesotherapy.
What's mesotherapy?
Mesotherapy, it comes from the word meson, which is in the middle. It's nutrients, it's injectable, and you inject it in the middle layers of the skin. So not very superficially, not very deep, just to give the skin the nutrients that it requires to look much fresher.
Well, everyone's finished, and I think everyone agrees they all look great, don't they? I've got to ask a few questions though. Sam, you're a top model and a mum. You look fantastic, by the way. How do you feel about the results you get?
Well, I'm over the moon. As you said, I'm a model and a mum, and it's just so lovely to come here. It's all done very quickly and very professionally.
How often do you come to the clinic, and how do you fit it all in between modelling, being a mum, etc.?
Well, I'd love to come as often as I possibly could, but I just come if I've got a catwalk show coming up or an event.
So Vicky, can you tell me the demographics of the clinic, how it ranges?
Well, the composition of our clientele is roughly 40% men, 60% women, and in terms of age, it ranges really from as young as 19 to 80 plus.
Which brings me to men. Michael, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
It really looks good. How does it feel after the treatment?
Yeah, no, I feel my skin feels tighter. I feel fresher. It just feels nice. You know, I feel like it's.
And of course, you were talking about men. Men are still intimidated by coming to something on the aesthetic clinic. What would you say to a man that feels as though it's the wrong place to come, or wants to come but is embarrassed?
Yeah, I just say don't worry about it. It's okay. You know, it's 2017. You know, men do look after the skin. Come on down. You know, get with what's.
When it comes to Dr. Ioannis here, so what do you think of the results?
Well, yeah, I'm delighted with the results. It's actually a work in evolution, as I told Michael earlier. He's had a couple of treatments. He needs another 3 or 4 weeks time for everything to come nicely together. But I can see a very, very nice difference there. Well done, Michael.
Thank you.
So I've got to come to Nicole. You're an actress,
Indeed.
and you look great. What is it why do you like coming to Vie? Tell us.
Well, it's clearly a very professional, well-oiled machine of a business, but it's just so warm, and you just feel like you're seeing your friends, yet you know that you're in very capable hands. It's not, when you say what a comfortable place it is, doesn't feel too relaxed, but you're relaxed, and they're completely.
Oh, okay. Now people are going to ask. I mean, you look incredible. I'm going to say it's going to cost a fortune to look like this. High maintenance, having to come here all the time.
Well, I mean, this was my first ever Botox. I've been very nervous about doing
Really?
it. Yes, this is
fantastic.
my first. But I have with the acting, I have a playing age of 25 to 35, and I've just gone over that at 36. So now is the right time. But Dr. Ioannis says about 3 times a year.
That's not too bad, is it?
Squeeze him in.
Absolutely terrific. Now I've got to come to Jana. Now people are going to say, "Oh my goodness, why are you here?"
I've got a very dry skin and I come for regular mesotherapy about once a month, and I find it incredibly helping. You know, my skin improving texture, my skin is glowing, so I'm very, very happy.
Well, as a businesswoman, do you find having a skin looking this good adds something to your confidence, or?
Absolutely, absolutely, 1,000,000%.
Oh, fantastic! Well, I have to say, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to go back to Vicky here. The clinic's become so successful. What would you say is the ethos of the clinic, or why people are banging on the door to get in?
I think something that our clients really value, and this is what I get from their feedback, is that they feel that we care. They have a trust. We establish a trusting relationship with all our clients. We take the time. We offer free consultations, no commitment, no pressure, and we look at the face or the body in a holistic way, looking at the needs rather than pushing for a treatment.
And of course, having a very highly qualified doctor working here,
safety
must be something that makes people feel really reassured. And having treatments done in this day and age, when there's so many people that may not be.
This is something that we have is one of the main characters of the clinic. Yeah. That we have highly specialized medical staff doing the treatments. Yeah. We have our star doctor, our medical director, Dr Liakas, who looks after everybody, and we only use top products. And we're always looking at innovation and cutting-edge treatments.
Because the biggest stars of the clinic are the clients.
Of course.
Oh, look amazing. Listen, we've just got to come and cut there. Doctor, the work is lovely. I'm sure I want to give him a big thank you.